Welcome to the Power Pack series of IoT. I am Siddharthan, an assistant professor. In this series, first we are going to monitor the sensor values using Blink app and Node MCU. It need Node MCU board and any analog sensor. If you don't have Node MCU board and sensor, that's okay. Because we are also going to monitor the random values using Blink app and Fred IoT platform. It doesn't need any hardware. Apart from that, we are going to see how to get the alert notification in your mobile or email if the sensor values are going above or below some threshold value. Finally, we are going to control the LED or actuator connected to the Node MCU board using Blink app. So let's get started. Welcome to lecture 1, Introduction to Internet of Things. Internet of Things, commonly known as IoT. When a thing connected to the internet, then it's called Internet of Things, which is the network of physical objects, devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity that enables these objects to collect and exchange data. Let's see what this means with an example. First, consider you are having a temperature sensor in your home. It will be connected to any IoT controllers, which is not shown here. So in the second step, the temperature sensor will upload the sensor values to the cloud at frequent interval of time. In the third step, the temperature values are now in the cloud. You can able to monitor those values from the cloud in your Blink mobile app. Apart from that, if the sensor values are going above or below some threshold value, you can able to get simple notification service known as SNS. Moreover, if you are getting a message when the temperature is greater than 40 degree, for example, you can able to turn on the air condition and also you can increase or decrease the temperature of air condition over the internet. That's cool, right? Usually this kind of setup can be used in food or other chemical preserving industries where the ingredients need to be maintained at some temperature. Not only this, but IoT has several applications in homes, industries, factories, agriculture, medical sectors, smart cities, and etc. To do most of the IoT projects, we need softwares and hardwares. We are going to use Blink app and Arduino IDE in the software side. Node MCU plus analog sensor. In my example, I have taken LM35 temperature sensor in the hardware side. Those who don't have Node MCU board and sensors can also be able to experience the concept of IoT using Fred IoT platform. We are going to discuss all these things in our Power Pack series. Okay, let's separate our project into 3 goals. In goal 1, we are going to monitor the sensor values over the internet. In that, steps to be done in Blink app, Node MCU and Arduino IDE are discussed in lecture 2, 3 and 4 respectively. And also we are going to learn and experience the IoT without any hardware, that is using Fred IoT platform in the lecture 2. In goal 2, we are going to get alert notification or email. We are going to see that in lecture 5. In goal 3, we are going to control the LED or actuator over the internet. We are going to see that in lecture 6. Apart from that, we are going to see the need of machine learning in lecture 7 and some innovative project ideas of IoT in lecture 8. So please follow us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.